Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present you a brand new product from Zeroqode Native Solution. Let me tell you a few words about it. Our native solution perfectly fits any kind of web application such as Bubble, WordPress, and basically made on any kind of programming language and their frameworks. It wraps your web application both to Android and iOS, which is ready to be published in the App Store and Play Market. There's no need to separately develop mobile applications when you already have a responsive one for the web. The best thing about Zeroqode's native solution is that there's no need to rebuild your native apps when you make any changes to a web application. It is used as a source for the mobile one, and all the changes appear there as soon as you deploy them to live. Why do people need a native app? Because there's lots of features that can be delivered to the user in the mobile browsers, such as push notifications, native ads, biometric authentication, and etc. We offer this and many other features on our page. Let's take a look on it. To get started, check if your web application is responsive. Enter the URL and press the preview button. The website will appear right here. So I'm typing in zeroqode.com because I know for sure that it is responsive. Okay, there you go. Well, the first step will be choosing the set of additional native features that you need, and you will find them right here. Let's take a close look to the last two features. The App Store publishing, which means that Zeroqode will take care of publishing your apps to both App Store and Play Market, and the full app configuration, which is a special offer for those who want to purchase a native app on a turnkey basis. For any questions you can address to our intercom, we'll be more than happy to assist you. Okay, let's close this operator because we definitely don't need him right now. Alright, next step is to enter your email. And this will happen after you select what you want in your app. So if I click buy now, you'll have to enter your email, and the good news is that even if you don't have an account on Zeroqode, you can just type in your email and we'll create one for you and we'll send you the credentials. That's how cool we are. Okay. Alright, type in your credit card information. I'm gonna type the test ones. Oh, nope. Okay. Just wait for the confirmation. Good. Okay, now if you go to your email, you should be receiving two emails. Okay, so the first one is going to be the receipt for what you purchased. So here's your total, and this is what you acquired. And the second one is your credentials that we create for you. So let's try and log in with those. Let's try going to profile. It's not gonna let me because I don't have an account, and we'll have to log in. Okay, your email and the password from the email. Cool. Okay, now we're in the profile menu. Here you can basically type in your general information, add a picture and everything, but we're gonna go straight to native solutions. All right, here you can see your purchases, and your next step will be to specify the details for it. You have to enter your app name. I'm just gonna name mine test app, and your app URL. and you have to upload an icon for iOS and Android. Let me choose a random picture. All right. You can choose if you need a navigation panel or not. Well, let's choose one, why not? And two colors, start color and the end color. Right, let's proceed. Okay, so these are your details for your app, and basically that's it. Thanks, guys.